Let me explain about the fax machine. Once upon a time, it was a pride of every office. You place a document inside, dial a number, and within minutes, that the same document will appear on a paper in another office far away. For its era, was revolutionary, faster than mailing and legally organized. Since friendship signatures were often filed. The advantages were clear. It was quick compared to postal mail, simple to use, and widely accepted in a business. Fax machine connected people across cities and boundaries with just one line. But of course, there were disadvantages. The quality of copies was often poor, with smudge or fade text. It required paper, ink, and delicate people online. Sending a long document could be slow, and security was weak, and no one near the machine could read sensitive information. Compared to today's standard, it was clunky and inefficient. Then came the revolution, email. Suddenly, documents could be sent digitally, without paper, without phone lines, and without waiting. Email was faster, cleaner, and more secure. Attachment replaced stacks of paper, and communication became instant across the globe. Over time, email grew into a backbone of modern business, paving the way for even more advanced tools like instant messaging, collaboration, and AI-powered communication. So, the fax machine was a stepping stone. It taught us the importance of instant document transfer, but email transformed that idea into something far more powerful. From paper and phone lines to digital clouds and secure server. The journey from fax to email shows just how far communication technology has come.
What's up, y'all? Today, I got a request to actually fax something. So because at work we have 2 fax machines for both companies that are in the building, I decided to document this and show it on YouTube. So here's how this works. First, you put the paper in upside down. Then you enter the phone number, which will be the other fax machine. Hit start. You're treated to this sound. And you're treated to a worse looking version of the original, which is called a facsimile, hence fax machine. And then, if you want to know that it's sent, you get this, which is a transmission verification report. Happy emailing.
Hello everyone, I want to tell you about telephone. The telephone is a long-distance voice communication device that was invented and patented in 1876 by Alexander Graham Bell. Although similar early designs have previously been developed by Antonio Meucci, Bell's invention marked a major breakthrough in communication technology because before the telephone, people could only communicate over long distance through letters or telegram messages. The early telephone worked by converting sound waves into electrical signal using a transmitter. The signal traveled through wires to a receiver, where they were converted back into sound. To use early telephones, people would leave the handset to activate the line, wait for a dial tone, dial the number manually, either by writing a dial on a rotary phone or pressing buttons, and then speak once the call was connected. Telephone quickly became essential tools for homes, businesses, and government offices. allowing faster communication, improving emergency response system, and supporting economic growth. Over time, technology advancement led to the development of wireless and digital communication system. Traditional wire home telephones were gradually replaced by mobile phones produced by companies such as Nokia, Samsung, and Apple Inc., which allow people to communicate from anywhere without being connected to physical cables. In the modern era, communication has evolved even further with internet-based services of WhatsApp, Zoom, and Google Meet, which use Voice over Internet Protocol or VoIP technology to transmit voice and video calls through the internet, making global communication faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before.
Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about photocopiers in the past and present. The first photocopiers was invented by a Saxon named Kester Kelson in 1938 using a technology called secrography. Early photocopiers were very large and heavy. The copy process was slow and the results were often unclear. This machine could only produce black and white copies and were operated manually. As technology developed, photocopiers become more modern and digital. Today, photocopiers are small, faster, and produce safer result. Modern machines can not only copy documents but also print, scan, and send files to computers or email. One of the most well-known companies in photocopiers development is Xerox, which helps make the photocopiers practical and multifunctional. In conclusion, early photocopiers were difficult to use, slow, and limited in quality. Modern photocopiers are easy to use, fast, and multifunctional. This development shows how technology continues to evolve to make human work easier. Okay, thank you. Okay, here we will demonstrate how to use a photocopier.